Chloe, you ready? Are you ready for today? Yeah? You ready? Let's do it. Come on. YouTube, welcome back to the video. As you guys can see in the intro, today we're finally mounting my wheels. I've just got these in the mail midweek and I haven't even touched them, haven't even opened the tape. You see that? I saved it for you guys. My anticipation, my anxiety, man, it's been building up all week. I've been super stoked, wanting to open this motherfucker up. Damn! Today in front of me, I have the all gold RPF1s from Enkei for you guys. I only have two though, which I'm very, very disappointed about. I don't know when the other two will get here. For today, I'm just gonna get two mounted. Woo! I'm super stoked. Let me get you guys set up. Let's open these bad boys up. Woo!
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name.
Oh yeah! Woo! Almost dropped it, yo! Right there, bad boys. All gold Enkei RPF1s. And look at that. Oh yeah. These will blow away in the wind, yo. Look at this. You see how small my arms are? You see how small? Look at this. Look at that. Curls. All day, baby. All day, baby. Woo! Mounting them to one of these bad boys right here. The 245s by 40, 18. The RPF1s are an 18 by 9.5 plus 38 offset. I'm gonna go ahead and get these loaded up because I'm about to go pick up Jamie. Once I pick him up, man, that's the master mechanic. That's like the master chief of all mechanics, man. He's hooking me up. He's gonna mount these the tires on the wheels for me today. And then I'm taking you guys with me to go to get Jamie. Let's go.
You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around.
Yo, we live right now, man, at Jamie's shop. That's the boy right there I've been telling y'all about, man. The land, the myth, man, the master of all mechanics right here. About to put the tires on the beach for me. Yeah, buddy. So pissed that I don't have the other two, man. Subi Speed, you guys are letting me down, yo. Jimmy's already got one wrapped up. Woo! Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. We're gonna go ahead and get the Subaru onto the lift. We're gonna jack her up, and then I'm gonna put the two into the rear, the two that I have now, because the little kid in me wants to run in. I just can't wait. Boy Jamie, man, we got the two rear wheels on. I'm super upset that I don't have the other two for the front, but same tire size. I looked it up online on the forums that we can do it, I guess. Check out my boy's tool setup though, man. Jamie, give us the rundown, man. Master Tech, man. Tell them if you guys want to be a mechanic, man, a car mechanic, this is what you guys need. These are tools for success right here. Socket drawer, yeah, buddy. He got all the wrenches, man. He's got everything on the planet, man. 4 GT wrenches. Powered by Ford, boys.
I guess we got screwdrivers. Go back to the ratchets. We like those ratchets.
Oh my goodness.
Pliers for about anything you can think of.
Wow. All snap-on.
Yeah, power tool.
All snap-on and Mac, man. Remember that. These are all snap-on and Mac.
Ball joint kit, car bars, hammers.
Oh my goodness.
Anything you need.
We've got the special edition Ford hamburger from Ford Cows right there. Oh man.
Back to my sun hat, we're chilling.
Hell yeah.
No.
Sean, what's going on, buddy?
Wrong one. This doesn't keep it dry. The other thing does.
Oh, well, I keep it in there just to make it look official.
Here.
What's up, dude? We're about to scoop, man. Pre-workout time. Ooh, you got me?
Yeah.
Go ahead, buddy. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, buddy, this is alright.
Yeah,
this is alright. Today I got the 2 front rear tires on. Me and Sean about to work out. I don't know if I'm gonna close the video here. I'm probably gonna extend it into when the other 2 wheels get here and I get them all mounted. I want to get it all in one video for you guys. So I guess we're just gonna sit here and wait for them to come. Oh shit, yeah. Okay. Yep, there she is, boys. RPF1s, my 2 front ones. They just came in today. Bam, all right. I'm about to call Jamie up. Let's go get these motherfuckers mounted. Woo! Yeah. I got the RPF1s loaded up. I got the 2 new tires loaded up. Jamie unfortunately was a little too busy today at work, but I'm too excited. I cannot wait. I'm stoked. I want you guys to see the end result, and I want to see it myself. I've been rocking mismatched wheels for about a week and waiting for these bad boys to get here. So let's go mount these babies. You know what I'm saying? Let's go do this. I'm gonna show you guys the end result. All right, we're here. Let's go. Yo, you gotta say what's up to the vlog, man. It's my boy Braxton right here. This is him right here. If y'all look around, this is all Braxton. Then my boy Isaiah, man. I'll put y'all IG up so y'all can see. I got the wheels on. I got all 4 wheels on now. We just got done adjusting Braxton's Mercedes. Man, check the fitment on Braxton. My goodness. Look at that. I want to get the fitment just a little better before I show you guys and review the car to you guys. We're gonna jack her up. I'm gonna take the wheels off. I'm gonna adjust the coils down just a little bit to how I like it, and then I'll show you guys the result. Let's do this, man. I'm fucking excited. Before I go and set y'all up, man, you guys gotta check out the C300.
All right, do it again. I'll go back slowly. It clears now.
Ooh. What do you think, bro?
Looks good.
Looks good?
Looks real good. Aggressive.
Aggressive? A-okay, huh?
Yes, sir.
I just got done adjusting the coilovers. Isaiah likes them. I like them. And I don't know if you guys are ready to see this right now. I don't know if you guys are ready to see this right now. But this, I'm loving the height. It's not too slammed. It's not too low. Hopefully I still don't rub. Still need to get in alignment. But for right now, the wheel gap is eliminated. And I'm liking it, yo. I'm really liking it. So let's see. There you guys have it. Oh yeah. Got all 4 all gold Enkeis on. Let me get you guys over here. Ooh, barely. Oh, I can't even get my finger in that, dude. That's tight, dude. That's tight, bruh. Down here in the back, they're maxed out on the stock spring preset, and they look good. Oh, Big Andrew, what's going on with you, bro? You out here riding, popping wheelies? No. No wheelies? No wheelies, huh? go ahead and close this video here. Thank you guys for watching. I've already extended long enough, building up the suspense. There it is. All gold Enkeis, RPF1s, 18x9.5, plus 38 offset on Federal S595 Super Street. Look at that boy Alex though. I'm gonna have to get a little video of his car for you guys. Yeah, his stuff is popping. Yeah, buddy. Look at here. Here he come. Here he come. Here he come. Ooh, look at him checking out the car though. Oh yeah, look at him. Okay, pop the collar real quick. Oh, don't be shy, brother. Don't be shy. I mean, True Religion shirt on and stuff, man.
YouTube going on?
Yeah, yes sir. Yes sir. You're gonna be in the vlog, bro. Say what's up.
What up? What up?
Yeah, man. But that's the video, man. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.